Elaine bingo ella cosú le bingo loco. Seo bingo loco. Talán ceol cheesy mar hampla Mickey Joe Hart agus Spice Girls. Tá níos mó crack agam. Mícheál O'Bernellis anam dom obrium sa show bingo mar DJ sa show bingo loco. Is even lom o post mar tá galore spree agam. Is post mar obri leis an MC agus bhai ag fér an slua agus ag déanamh cinse go bhfuil an slua ag dausa. Tá lán dúisina difriú. Is féidir le book bath, Dr. Dre headphones, dildo agus le na sira agam.
The three guys who come up with it, Craig, Will and Stephen, they were running a hostel together in Cambodia a few years ago, and we're just putting on events and things like that, and one of them that they put on was like Crazy Bingo that really took off, and then when they came back they wanted to launch some stuff, and they got together, and this was the first event that they did as the company Legs Left. Try to take over everywhere that we can, and anytime you see number 5, you think of Mambo number 5, and 7, you think of Rest of 7. That's all we want to do, is just keep doing all these crazy shows and events as long as people come on to let do it.
Tá gach show difriúil ach tá an atmosphere electro agus tá an crap unreal.